Welcome to this lesson on magnification in the light and optics series. Magnification is a fundamental concept that helps us understand how images compare in size to their original objects. Whether you're using a magnifying glass, a microscope, or looking at reflections in mirrors, magnification tells us how much bigger or smaller an image appears compared to the actual object. Magnification is defined as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. In simple terms, it compares how tall the image is to how tall the actual object is. The formula for magnification is m equals hi divided by ho, where m represents magnification, hi is the image height, and ho is the object height. This ratio tells us whether the image is enlarged, reduced, or the same size as the object. Let's break down the components of the magnification formula. Hi, or image height, refers to the height of the formed image. This is what we see after light interacts with a mirror or lens. Ho, or object height, is the actual height of the original object. By dividing the image height by the object height, we get a number that describes the relationship between the two. The sign of magnification tells us about the orientation of the image. A positive magnification means the image is upright or erect, maintaining the same orientation as the object. On the other hand, a negative magnification indicates that the image is inverted, meaning it appears upside down compared to the object. This sign convention is crucial for understanding the nature of images formed by different optical devices. The magnitude, or absolute value of magnification, tells us about the size of the image. When the absolute value of m is greater than 1, the image is larger than the object, which we call magnified. When the absolute value of m is less than 1, the image is smaller than the object, which we call diminished. And when the absolute value of m equals 1, the image is exactly the same size as the object. Let's work through an example to apply what we've learned. An object of height 5 centimeters is placed in front of a mirror. The image formed has a height of 15 centimeters and is inverted. We need to calculate the magnification. We're given that the object height is 5 centimeters and the image height is 15 centimeters. Remember, the image is inverted, which is important for our calculation. To solve this problem, we apply the magnification formula. M equals hi divided by ho. Since the image is inverted, we use a negative sign for the image height. Substituting our values, we get m equals negative 15 centimeters divided by 5 centimeters. This simplifies to m equals negative 3. This result tells us that the image is 3 times larger than the object and is inverted, which is indicated by the negative sign. There's another way to calculate magnification using distances instead of heights. The formula is m equals negative v divided by u, where v is the image distance from the optical element and u is the object distance from the optical element. This alternative formula is particularly useful when you know the distances, but not the actual heights of the image and object. Both formulas will give you the same magnification value. Magnification is a concept used in many optical devices. In mirrors, we calculate magnification for concave mirrors, convex mirrors, and plane mirrors, each producing different types of images. In lenses, magnification applies to converging lenses and diverging lenses, which are used in various optical instruments like microscopes, telescopes, cameras, and eyeglasses. Understanding magnification helps us design and use these devices effectively. Let's recap the key points from this lesson. First, magnification is the ratio of image height to object height. Second, positive magnification means the image is upright. Third, negative magnification means the image is inverted. And finally, the magnitude tells us if the image is enlarged, diminished, or the same size as the object. With these concepts, you can now analyze and predict the characteristics of images formed by mirrors and lenses.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.